Greetings, welcome to the latest updates for the latest news within South Africa. Good morning guys, today let's take a walk down memory lane, remembering where we come from as a country, especially remembering the cast of Sarafina. Firstly, let's check why the movie Sarafina was released in the first place. The release of Sarafina commemorates the watershed event of 16 June 1976 in our history. It also honors all the heroes and victims of the struggle and celebrates their courage. The most important reason for the release of Sarafina was to ensure that the youth of today are able to experience the hardship that South Africans endured during the apartheid years. The film sensitized the youth to the struggle and gave us an opportunity to appreciate our freedom and how it was achieved, especially the impact of 16 June 1976 to the freedom and democracy of South Africa. Now let's check at our cast members as to where are they now and what are they doing with their lives. Number 1, we have Mamleleti Khumalo, who was playing the leading role in Sarafina. She has grown so much in the acting industry and she has played many lead roles in several soapies. Currently, she leads the cast of ETV telenovela Umbe with the Seed, where she plays the role of Mamzulu. She's also an executive producer in that soapie. Before joining Umbe, she was part of a popular soapie known as Uzalo on SABC1. She is living with a condition called vitiligo, which she revealed when she was on Uzalo. On Uzalo, she used to hide her white patches with makeup, but then when she joined Umbe, she said she had discussed this with the producers and they agreed that she doesn't have to hide her condition with makeup anymore. She was married to Ndade Mbongeni Ngema, who is one of the executive producers of Sarafina, but then they had since divorced. She's currently married to another person and they have 2 kids together. Their kids are twins. The next one is Cindy Hlatu. She's one of the most famous and talented actresses in South Africa. She played the role of Thandasa in Mubango for over 20 years. It was one of the leading roles in Mubango as a businesswoman. She's currently playing the role of Lindiwe Dlamini Dinaga on The River, and her character is mostly loved as well in South Africa. People are just falling in love with her talent on a daily basis. She is currently married, however, I'm not sure as to whether she has kids or not. She is one person that lives a private life, so you'll never really know what is happening with her life. Even on her Instagram page, she doesn't post much about her personal life, so I'm not sure as to whether she has kids or what. The person that is appearing on the picture with her is not the husband, though, is one of the co-cast members of The River that she plays with. The next one is Mediaketse Mnisi. She was one of the dancers and singers in Sarafina. She currently plays the role of Mantuli on SABC soapie Skeem Saam. In the popular soapie, she plays the role of being a strict mother of 3 who was abandoned by her husband, and she has done her bit to raise her kids to be responsible adults. She was married to Ndate Jabulani Nkosi, who played the role of Chirwali on SABC1 comedy Emzini Wezinsizwa. They were married for 22 years and they have 2 kids together. They divorced in 2005. Talking about her divorce, she said it was not an easy journey, but she survived because God was leading the way. She says it was only by the grace of God that she survived. The next one is Somisi. Decades later, Somisi is still relevant in the entertainment industry. The talented multimedia personality played a student leader who was pivotal in the student uprising in the movie. He is currently dominating in the entertainment industry. He is in TV, he is in radio, he is also a judge on Idols SA. He's doing exceptionally well in his career. He also has a daughter by the name of Bahumi, and he is married to Mohale Motaung. Thank you so much for tuning in. That will be all from me. I'll see you again in the next video. Remember to leave your comments to let us know of your views regarding this content. Thank you.